Today is spa day and beach day. First stop, the spa. So we're here. We're actually in a mud spot. It smells a bit funny, I won't lie to you. But we're here. I couldn't show you because I was muddy, but now we're just chilling here at this pool, which I wanted to see like swim for so long, so it's kind of cool. And my skin is so soft now. Look at this face. Look at this. So beautiful. Alessia, come sta oggi?
Benissimo.
Benissimo.
Benissimo. È un po' fresco.
Sì,
ma
certo.
L'acqua ha un odore speciale.
I told them.
Il fango è piacevole, però un cattivo odore. La pelle non proprio.
Oh,
più.
sì, so clean.
Proprio.
So clean.
La piscina. Yeah, the water is lovely.
So he's saying the water is warm and our skin is soft, and the smell is not too pleasant. So that's what I told you guys earlier. But it's so good. My skin is so soft. If any of you know me, you know I have like skin problems and my skin gets so dry. So that was good. Now I'm gonna head back to the pool and talk to you guys later.
20 miles down the beach. I couldn't figure out where.
So we made it to the beach. Guys,
I think I need a drink before I head to the beach.
please get ready for this. Like, wow.